Everybody wants to earn money online, and there are millions of videos and blogs on making money online. But the sad truth is that most of them doesn't even work. So today I've gathered 5 sure ways you can earn money online. Number 1. Make $5 to $10 an hour with paid surveys. The quickest way to earn money online is probably with paid surveys. You get credited with money or cash rewards after you complete a survey. And the threshold to cash is usually very low, which is a great news if you need money as soon as possible. Number 2. Write and publish ebooks. Ebook publishing is a big business. People are making 1,000 grants every single year publishing books online. Obviously, the writing part requires a computer, and depending on how much elegant you want the book to look, it could require equipment like camera to take photos. But overall, writing the book itself is a very low investment. Number 3. Sell photos online. Photography is a big business. There are a gazillion websites online and they all need pictures. A lot of them use stock photography websites to buy photos, paying a few dollars or so per photo in fact. These photos can come from you too. You can be paid royalties for every photo that is downloaded. Websites like iStockPhoto and Shutterstock sell stock photos from regular people like you and me, who have taken photos and uploaded it to their site for sale. Number 4. Start investing money. I think a lot of people think you need a lot of money to start investing. Well, you don't, especially when you are new. Investing is one of the most important skills to have. I mean, it's your money. You need to make sure you are taken care of when you get old, or you want to make sure your children's finances are taken care of when they are ready for school. Number 5. Write content for websites. Writing content for websites requires no investment. The trick is to find reliable work, which can be tricky sometimes. The better writer you are and the more knowledgeable about a topic you are, the more money you can command. You can find tons of writing gigs online. Being paid $1 for 100 words written is on low end. Good writers are paid anywhere from $25 to $50 an article typically.